smells really cool.
Smells like we're at Disneyland. Oh, there's a big rock.
What is up, sailors?
There's my boat right behind us. Happy to be on board SP Felurian. Good to see John. We're gonna have a nice visit. And yeah, have a couple days with him exploring Santa Cruz Island.
I also have my phone.
I got the works.
Okay, Santa
We
Cruz
are
Island,
ready.
little Scorpion, about to go on an adventure.
Picking up the crew of Tritea. We're about
That's right.
to go hit up some caves, get on land.
This is our Uber.
Yeah, Uber has arrived. Let's fire it up.
You see below?
Yeah,
Yeah, we're
it's gonna
real
be
shallow.
like a foot of water.
It's nice here. I like it.
Really beautiful.
Flashbacks. And where's the roof?
It looks really shallow.
Rock, 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 rock. Rock, 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 rock.
Oh, it might be it's too shallow to go in there.
Yeah. That's crazy.
That's so cool.
Might be a hike, but yeah, you can go in there, and then there's an exit on the other side.
Really? That's cool.
But yeah, it's kind of like the Cueva Valdez cave.
Oh, cool, cool.
Often there's like sea lions in there.
Yelling.
Yelling. I'll try to be a responsible dinghy driver in the light of dinghy events.
Yeah, dude. Oh, that is awesome.
Oh, it's so pretty. It looks so murky in Prisoners. The water's nice and clear here
Yeah, it is.
compared to.
Wow, look how cool that is.
That's very cool.
Oh my god.
Little swelly.
Oh, there's two chutes, huh?
So cool.
Oh, it smells really cool.
Smells like we're at Disneyland. Oh, there's a big rock.
Right in front of us. Yeah. Cool.
Wow.
Yeah, it's very cool.
In a kayak, it'd be cool, huh? Wow, so crazy.
Wow, all these caves.
Dude, so cool. Look at the way that rock is.
I know, it looks like
Wow.
almost basalt, not quite basalt.
So cool. We need to make friends with a geologist.
Look at that boat over there. What a beauty.
Who's that?
Pretty girl. Kind of want to see what's going on.
It's a beautiful island.
Yeah, it's fucking rad.
I wasn't expecting it to look so different from all the other ones, I guess.
Yeah, there's like big differences on the island itself.
Yeah.
Almost closed. Damn it.
Fryer restoration. Oh yeah, it's all sad.
Wow, this is super cool walking this ravine. You get like the best view. Like one of the coolest shots of your boat
Yeah.
from up on the top of there.
From where?
Up the top of this. If you, I'm gonna catch something, you can jump in so you guys don't get all soaked.
Yeah. Right now?
Jump, haul it. And then get ready to get the outboard jam.
Damn, that is real gnarly. See that potato patch ahead of us there?
Yeah.
Then we can just
Y'all just leave me on my boat.
you and me can just go, and it's so calm in here. Why don't we just check over
Yeah.
like in here?
Stay in here or around this rock.
Yeah. Hungry.
What are you getting ready to do?
Go look for lobsters. A piece of cheese. Taco it is.
See if we can't turn this into seafood dinner.
You're gonna leave the dinghy here and swim?
Yeah.
Go. See if John goes to the bottom.
Goodbye. Oh my god.
Just straight down. I think this is pretty good actually.
Get it. Be safe. Pretty stoked that John suggested we hit Scorpion if it was empty. Camille's never been here, and this anchorage is fantastic, beautiful. Lots of cool stuff to see underwater, and maybe they'll find some lobsters that they can have for dinner. But yeah, beautiful. Tomorrow we're gonna haul up and head around the corner to some spots that John knows about, and probably stay at Yellowbanks tomorrow night. But yeah, we're gonna play it by ear and enjoy our last couple of days here. It's nice that John's around now so we can actually get to shore. But yeah, and we're so stoked that someone found our dinghy and all of our gear, and that the Coast Guard contacted us. Actually, I guess they called it out on the radio while we were in the water at Potato, and John heard them and called the Coast Guard and talked to them and gave them our like sat phone number and everything. But they came looking for us and found us and hailed us at sea when we were leaving Potato. And yeah, incredible. But that also means that had I not made it to the boat, I would have died because I would have blown out into the channel. So that is a terrifying thought. Because I was certain that dinghy was going to end up on the other shore because of the way the wind was blowing. But always like double check your gear, make sure you have your oars before you head ashore. So incredible lesson learned, and neither one of us died, so that's good. Looking forward to closing out the rest of this trip with some adventures with John, our good buddy, on SV Felurian. Make sure you guys check out their channel. See what this southern tip of Santa Cruz has to offer.
Not one antenna.
No bugs.
Oh, there's a shit ton of fish out though.
Yeah. I almost got one lobster. It's huge, about the size of a small dog. It drug me off into the deep and I had to let go. It's the only one I saw.
It's all those fucking lobster pots out there.
Yeah.
I bet you they like it a little deeper here.
There is a
Well,
lot of
and
fish.
nighttime.
Yeah.
There's a lot of fish though. We're gonna grab our spears.
Oh, cool. I'll give you
Try a
yours.
spear action.
Show me your new weapons. Came back for different hunting technique. Get it before it gets dark.
Like Aquaman.
No fish.
No fish?
The orange ones are good eating, right? The fish live another day.
That's all right. You brought a lot of victuals.
Yeah, it's so pretty. The purple sky that's coming out.
Gorgeous.
That makes sense. Looking good. Sweet. In the water here at Santa Cruz. Diving.
Beautiful scenery though.
Maybe we'll grab something tomorrow. Look at that. That's called a lenticular cloud.
Oh yeah, cool.
I
And a
think.
kappa is epic.
When it makes that.
Nice
Cloud
shape.
hat. Yeah.
And I see it's so close to the rocks.
Our dear friends John and Alana of SV Felurian have started their own YouTube channel. You should pop over, check it out, watch your episode, like, comment, and subscribe. We love those guys and we're stoked that they're sharing their adventures with everyone now. You can find a link to their channel in the description of this video, or by clicking the card in the top right corner. We now have a tracker for Tritea supplied by PredictWind. If you'd like to check out the blog post we made in real time while we're sailing the Channel Islands, visit the link on the screen or click the link down in the description.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. It helps us a lot.
Thanks again to all of our patrons. Your contributions help us get the boat ready for big things.
Until next time.
That looks like a good tire.
Yeah, right?
Lump.
John's taking her with us. Oh, there's your boat.
Yeah, way in there. I feel like I was so much closer to you pulling in.
Dude,
We got miles.
it's like being at sea is like a one big optical illusion. There's weight. You want some?
I might.
I have a 5, or do you want me to grab one of his 3s?
I got 2 3s in the dinghy.